I don't think Gonzo's doing too well. He needs help.
Psst, you with the nose, come here.
Don't stop me now. I'm on a roll.
I said come here.
Hey,
I'll whisper you what to say.
but
Shh, call her.
Okay. Oh, Piggy! Go away, Gonzo. I don't want to talk to you anymore.
Okay. On the count of 3, I'll open the door, and you let it rip. You open the door, and I hose the hound. Got it. 1, 2,